secure silver for India. Opposition has raked up her protest, and while politics is raging over Vinesh Phogat, Times Now has confronted Brij Bhushan, who was clearly seen evading our questions. Let's in fact go across to Akanksha for more on this. Akanksha, this in fact has become a political controversy, a political debate in India, with the opposition reminding the NDA Sarkar of the treatment meted out to her and other wrestlers during the protest.
Well, absolutely. And the good news is that 29-year-old Vinesh Phogat has become the first wrestler, women wrestler, in fact, to enter finals. And she's now gunning for gold. But back here in our country, now the politics has erupted over her victory, with Congress reminding the NDA Sarkar of the 2023 wrestlers' protest, asking whether Prime Minister will, in fact, apologize. Will he call Vinesh Phogat to congratulate her? And will he apologize for the Delhi police misbehaving with her last year? So this is what Jairam Ramesh of the Congress party has said. As far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned, he is also to rake this thing. He said that the entire power system that had made India shed tears of blood collapsed, and he also went on to say all those denied the struggle of Vinesh and her teammates and even questioned their intentions and abilities have got their answers. This is the identity of champions. They give their answers from the field. So this is what the Congress party is saying. Mahavir Phogat, on the other hand, said that this is a slap on the face of Brij Bhushan. Hence, today we confronted Brij Bhushan. We wanted to ask him what his reaction was to the victory of Vinesh Phogat, and also the comment that has come from Mahavir Phogat, but he did not roll down his window. He, in fact, scooted away. We also tried and asked this question to Karan Bhushan, Brij Bhushan's Charan Singh's son, but there was absolutely no response to that.
In fact, let's take a look at that sequence when Brij Bhushan was confronted. Stay on with this, Akanksha.
महावीर फोगाट का कहना है कि विनेश फोगाट का जीतना एक बड़ा तमाचा है। सर, एक रिएक्शन। महावीर फोगाट का कहना है कि विनेश फोगाट का जीतना एक बड़ा तमाचा है। सर, एक रिएक्शन। महावीर फोगाट का कहना है कि विनेश फोगाट का जीतना एक बड़ा तमाचा है। सर, एक रिएक्शन। महावीर फोगाट का कहना है कि विनेश फोगाट का जीतना एक बड़ा तमाचा है। सर, एक रिएक्शन।
Akanksha confronted Brij Bhushan. She's live with us on the broadcast. Brij Bhushan had nothing to say.
Well, absolutely. I'm currently standing at 21 Ashoka Road, not too far from Jantar Mantar. This is where last year, in fact, all these wrestlers sat and they raised the allegation of sexual harassment against Brij Bhushan. So today was the day when we wanted to ask this tough question to Brij Bhushan as to what he has to say about the comment that has been made by Mahavir Phogat, that the victory of Vinesh Phogat is in fact a big slap on the face of Brij Bhushan. But you saw the sequence of Times Now with Brij Bhushan Sharan. He nodded his head, and his cavalcade directly went inside his residence here in the national capital. Likewise, Karan Bhushan also did not speak on this, but Vinesh Phogat is gunning for gold. It remains to be seen what is the end of that, but we will definitely try and get reaction from Brij Bhushan Sharan as far as this entire case is concerned.
Absolutely. At the moment when Brij Bhushan was confronted, he had no answers and ducked our questions on Vinesh's performance. Akanksha, let's once again play out that sequence. Stay on with us.
महावीर फोगाट का कहना है कि विनेश फोगाट का जीतना एक बड़ा तमाचा है। सर, एक रिएक्शन। महावीर फोगाट का कहना है कि विनेश फोगाट का जीतना एक बड़ा तमाचा है। सर, एक रिएक्शन। महावीर फोगाट का कहना है कि विनेश फोगाट का जीतना एक बड़ा तमाचा है। सर, एक रिएक्शन।
We'll keep on